How to join private groups on Telegram without link. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can join private groups on Telegram without link. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Telegram app. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. And after you've done that, what you'll need to do is first search for any group that you want to join. So for that, you can head over to your search bar. Simply search for the group. And after you search for the group, you can hit enter and you can simply find the channel that you want to join or group that you want to join. So let's say I want to join this one. After I open it up, you'll see a join button down below. Tap on the join button to join the private group on Telegram. So tap on join. And there we go, you've just joined the private group on Telegram without any link. And that's basically how it's done, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.